In this video, we'll learn how to find your likes on Facebook. So if you want to see all of the different posts, videos, and photos which you had liked from your Facebook account, then simply follow my steps in order to learn how it's done. This will work on both iOS and Android devices, and the first step is to open the Facebook mobile app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now you'll want to tap on the three horizontal lines, either at the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. I'm on my iPhone, so the menu option will be at the bottom right, so I'll click on it. Now find the Settings and Privacy option and then expand it. And after that, click on Settings. When we open the Facebook settings page, scroll all the way down near the bottom until you find this Activity Log option. This is going to open a page where we can see all of the different activities which we've done from our Facebook profile, but let's filter this out to only the likes. You want to tap on the Filters button at the top and then Categories. We'll then expand this Your Facebook activity and select the Comments and Reactions. And just tap on Likes and Reactions. And that's it. This is going to open a page where it will show us all of the different posts, photos, and videos which we had liked on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.